What's going on, guys? Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be going over Bitcoin, some FX pairs, and also gold, showing you where I think the price is going to go next for Bitcoin, gold, and some of these FX pairs that I'm currently trading. If you're not already, join my Telegram channel. The link's in the video description. I post everything in my Telegram channel. Also, make sure you like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's get started. So for anyone that doesn't know me, I've been trading the FX and crypto markets for the past 7 years. So pretty good at it by now, or at least I like to think so. My hit rate's pretty good. So about 6 to 8 weeks ago, roughly somewhere around here, I did a video saying that I'm looking for the next leg up on Bitcoin around $82,000 to $86,000. As you can see, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've done 7 green weeks, I think. Was that 6? Yeah, 7. 7 green weeks. And now we're currently getting rejected. Everything is in line with what I'm looking at. That was previous breaker structure. We come up, we fill that out roughly around these levels. We're getting rejected off the EMA as well. Only thing I'm looking at kind of now is really the RSI is like 50-50. I want that to really get kind of overextended, overbought a bit, and then look for that fallback. Now, the average price people bought Bitcoin for is $53,000. So I am looking for a leg down to below 53,000. I need to check on my other charts. I think my price target is between 38 to 44,000 or 42,000, something like that, for Bitcoin to bottom out and then move sideways, obviously, in the bear market, and then kind of take that next leg up. What would I do now in this trade? Well, firstly, I'm on the weekly chart. Usually I trade the smaller time frames. So I'd just be kind of looking for something within this range to trade this. I do think that that drop is coming very, very soon. So, I mean, if you're holding Bitcoin, if you're trading Bitcoin, I wouldn't really look at too many longs in terms of like swing trades, because I think you could potentially get stopped out. Everything is in line with what I'm looking at, to be honest. So just expect that next drop for Bitcoin. Okay, so now I've pulled up the gold chart. Now it's actually super interesting, the gold chart. So I am looking for longs on gold. Now, again, we're not on the weekly, but we're on the daily this time, right? So it is kind of more of the bigger picture of where gold's going. But if you look here, when we kind of took that big leg up and then we corrected. Now, the RSI has obviously dropped. We're currently around 50 on the RSI. Now, I'm looking for a similar move on gold. I'm looking for us to potentially correct. So obviously, we've gone up there, we've corrected, we've gone up here, corrected, fill that fair value gap. I don't think we're going to really reach these lows in the near future. I think we're going to then take that leg up. Gold's going to keep going up, and then I think everyone's going to get caught out, potentially have a double top here, and then that big correction. Now, last time we did that, we went from 5599 all the way down in a couple of days to 4425. So gold is super volatile. So I mean, if you're looking on the smaller time frames, maybe look for a small short somewhere around here, where we're currently at the moment, and then expect that next leg up. We do have a small fair value gap that hasn't completely been filled, so I do expect us to fill that in the near future and really kind of do a similar move to this and go up to here, break this. Everyone thinks we're going to the moon. Everyone starts longing it, and then boom, we have a double top and then go back down. So just be careful on gold. Maybe short term, just to conclude, short term, look for some small shorts, and then look for, if you're doing swing trades and stuff, I'll say look for longs on gold. Okay, so currently on Euro USD. As you've probably noticed, I'm not going into full detail with my TA. I'm just literally going over kind of a breakdown of Bitcoin, gold, Euro USD, etc. Just kind of showing you where I think the next levels are. On Euro USD, I'm currently on the hourly chart. I just need to wait for confirmation before I open any swing trades, because it's a bit indecisive at the moment of where we're going. So what I'm looking at, this is a potential trade today that I'm looking at, is Euro news comes out, we drop, potential buy limit or buy limit zone around here, and then we basically go up, and I've got like a take profit 1 somewhere around here, then a take profit 2 somewhere in between, then like my final TP is up here for Euro USD. I'm just going to wait to like kind of 30 minutes before the news just to see how volatile it is. And then, yeah, if we start coming down to these levels, I'm going to be looking at buy limit. I don't want to kind of open just before news and then potentially it wicks through it or whatever. So I just want to wait till it settles, and then I'll be looking for a buy zone down here, and then taking a leg up on Euro USD. I'm going to be doing more videos where I actually go like deep into my TA and stuff, so you guys can learn as well. But just in regards to Bitcoin, gold, more swing trades, well, Bitcoin more swing trade. Gold, obviously short term and then long term bullish, I think. Not really long term, but more mid term bullish for gold. I think that we're going to take a massive leg up shortly for gold. There's so many people shorting gold at the moment. And when retail are basically doing something, they're always going to get stopped out. So you just need to follow the smart money when you're trading. Okay, so last but not least is GBP USD that I'm just going to go over today. I actually love trading this pair. My hit rate is really good on this pair. I get some amazing trades. I did actually enter a trade today, which is currently in drawdown. I just entered a bit early. I think that we're going to reverse and it's going to be a beautiful trade. That's if we don't get stopped out before. So I entered somewhere around here, these levels here, and we've currently gone through it. We've obviously had a change of character. We do have a couple of fair value gaps that do need to be filled there. And yeah, I just hope that we reverse basically. So I think it'd be a beautiful trade if it does play out. I just probably should have waited a bit longer, to be honest with you, but most of my GBP USD trades, I think I've got a 90% hit rate. Really do love trading this pair. So, I mean, if you are trading this, I am looking for a long. Don't enter where I did. Well, you can't anyway because it's gone past there. I think this is a fake out change of character. I don't think it's proper change of character. I think we're going to basically start heading up again and then start moving sideways for direction. Another potential scenario is we do come down to these levels, find support around 1.35, 195. Around this zone down here, and then obviously next support levels are here. The indicators I'm using on this are smart money concepts. Instead of me inputting it manually, I might as well just use the fucking indicator, right? It's just so much easier, and then it marks everything out for me, so I don't need to mess around with the charts when I just want to quickly look at pairs, find entries, and bits like that. As you can see, we went through the equilibrium, we've came down. I think we're going to go up, retest it, and if we do, that's going to be TP1 hit. I don't think we're going to go back up past it, but at least once we get to here, if we get to there, that's going to be TP1 hit and then a risk-free trade, stop loss to entry. So if we come back down, we haven't actually lost anything. So yeah, let's see how that plays out. That's a trade that I'm currently in at the moment. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment below on anything that you want me to do in terms of videos, like either technical analysis or any pairs that you want me to check and trade on a daily basis. Also join the free Telegram channel, link is in video description. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.